Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dazonn Technologies, where we bring you the latest insights and tutorials to boost your digital presence. I'm Dazonn, and today is an exciting day because we're diving into the heart of online tracking with our Mastering Google Tag Manager, the complete course. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the intricacies of tracking codes, analytics, and the overall chaos of managing your website data, fear not. Google Tag Manager is here to save the day. Section 1. Understanding Google Tag Manager. Our journey begins with the fundamentals. What is Google Tag Manager, and why is it a game changer for businesses? In this section, we'll break down the components, discuss its benefits, and explore why every digital marketer should have GTM in their toolkit. Section 2. Setting up your Google Tag Manager account. Now that you understand the basics, let's get our hands dirty. In Section 2, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Google Tag Manager account. From creating your container to understanding triggers and variables, we've got you covered. Section 3. Advanced Tag Management Techniques. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Section 3 is all about advanced tag management techniques. We'll explore custom tags, triggers, and variables that will make your tracking setup more precise and tailored to your business needs. Section 4. Troubleshooting and debugging. No course is complete without addressing the challenges. In Section 4, we'll troubleshoot common issues and equip you with debugging techniques to ensure your Google Tag Manager runs seamlessly. Say goodbye to tracking headaches. Section 5. Integrating Google Tag Manager with analytics platforms. In our final section, we'll tie it all together. Learn how to integrate Google Tag Manager with popular analytics platforms like Google Analytics. Unleash the true power of data-driven decisions for your business. Well, that concludes our Mastering Google Tag Manager, the complete course. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow marketers. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy tracking.